Have e-commerce and omni-channel distribution dramatically increased the number of SKUs in your warehouse, causing you to run out of space? Is your racking and shelving optimizing your space, or is it storing air? Is your back room or distribution center inefficient, unorganized, or does it take too long to find products in your warehouse? Stop. SpeedCell is your answer. SpeedCell improves space utilization by 60% and increases productivity by 40%. Life-changing numbers. Maybe not, but definitely numbers that significantly impact your bottom line. Meet Larry. His backroom operation has quickly outgrown his small facility, causing him to become unorganized and inefficient. His products are hard to locate and stacked all over the place. Installing SpeedCell has organized his warehouse, making everything easy to locate. His teams can now quickly pick orders and restock locations, which allow them to achieve productivity goals without adding additional associates. Meet Lucy. She is a director of operations for a large distribution center that pulls orders for clients all over the world. Her warehouse is organized, but her current steel shelving wastes so much space that she constantly has to add additional associates to meet spikes in order demand. Her products range from boxes to pieces. Because she uses a traditional one-size-fits-all bin box, her small boxes and pieces waste tremendous amounts of space above and behind them. Lucy needs a storage solution that optimizes her space utilization, increases efficiency, improves organization, and is easy to use. A simple, adaptable solution to meet her constantly evolving needs. What she really needs is SpeedCell, a customizable, dynamic, and scalable storage solution. SpeedCell was created to be easy to use and maintenance-free. It decreases pick path distance, better organizes the warehouse, and provides inventory granularity. It has all the deliverables that a director like Lucy requires. SpeedCell columns are constructed of high-strength industrial textiles. And like a 3D spreadsheet, the columns are vertically subdivided into cells that are suspended into rows underneath her racking so that everything is efficiently organized and neatly stored. How can SpeedCell help you? If you too are looking to increase your operational efficiency, optimize your storage space, or looking to grow your business, then a SpeedCell storage solution is for you. Save time, save space, and save money with SpeedCell.